Wagwan viewers and subscriber, big up on yourself, you see it, and give thanks to everybody who subscribe to the channel. We reach 60,000, you see it, and big up everybody who know you reach out yet and subscribe, you see it, but you don't know Queenie in the street out and running. And you don't know Queenie a part of you from with your beer. Go out them a go out and a full belly, you see it, and you don't know Queenie love support her fish friend them, you see it. You don't know me, I wonder how certain man say them a gangster and they a party where fish there, you see it. But we couldn't do them place, you see it. Yeah man, I just man, look, I just need that, you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and just go and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see it. And Richie Stevenson there over here. I show off him talent, I show him can peel a jelly with him mouth, you see me. But show me see how savage them and look at thugs and we are part Queenie. We see them each up with beer fish round them man. Derrick and Raya Q and them thing they for them belly and thing. I burn off for them thing they still so forward and hear what I go on and see what I go on. You see it?
Bomb, give me a 360 spin, my friend. When I did not dash, oh God, royalty, match your house, hot girl, bomba clot, top girl, never flop girl. Grass. Any pussy will forget violate, get violate. Nobody not violate right now. When I'm man and nobody blood clot business. I whole pop I'm moving the blood clot and I scare the man. The man appreciate life. And he want to export. And to come at Jamaica and meet up going to the ghetto. That is cold then. A lot of the blood clot run against Jamaica. And someone will tell me, say, every minute I go to Jamaica. Maria try. When Mr. Rai come and ask, try why don't you win as a weird head shop. Mr. Rai, you break. Cause I mean, after blood clot to live on him draw them window. Nobody now doing blood clot that them ask to events. All if them want to cough him head. Nobody now do that right, may I tell you. Them are forgetting at the dark evil corner. And them must say that pussy from blood clot Canada, take off him tattoo them. Me not gonna say them, we have that in our way. I will love him. You can't walk past street, you can't walk going at any blood clot character. Nobody now do nothing. Nobody scared from my country. I mean, I like to know.
It's a beautiful country. A beautiful.
Mama said,
Beautiful.
you as a foreigner, you get up and you say, what Miss Jane there? Ask somebody I walk there you for Miss Jane. If you send them a cash file, and them see if you take 120 pound or 100 blood clot phone out of it, they might take it. But remember, nobody now get up on earth. Nobody just so. We have a beautiful island.
It's true.
And we are
Very
very
beautiful.
talented.
Very.
And we look like Talawa. Only Papa name we blood.
Oh God. I'm telling you, oh God, man. You see this? What is score me get the reach out. Straight to God. 1 year since me not get now. Really hard, authentic Jamaican curry, you know. I mean, I tell you. 1 week now since me there, me I tell you, this beat everything out I pack. Watch it again. Never lie, never. Yeah, man, in a real life, man, you don't know the thing come down, man. Life there for live, man. You hear that, youth? But it come down. Let's do the right thing. And the blessing fall after, you know. Yeah. I see them there go and do it, man. I hear that. Fully. Who not play 14? You hear that? You be say the man, the whole 14. Know that. You see it now? Yeah, man. Them not see we, you know, we are see them. Yeah, them? Where are you?
In Jamaica.
You want to know if I be there? I want pin a location, but we not pin it. I make you see it. We up in the hills, fam. Know that. Fully up and never bully up. I don't know, don't make you have to pull you up. You hear that? That is it. The whole of Kingston, man, we up your start, man. You know the code, dog. Fully.
So I see Foota hype on internet, I see them blacklist him and my ball or this and that. Foota, we know nothing going on for you. And you're not getting no big buckets. But stop move like a bitch on the internet here. He's a man. Because you can't talk certain things about artists and feel like say them are go with you. Because I tell you, the whole of them are live good. Most of them, all of them are good. One of them used to be your friend. The one of them are live good and reach out. Stop watching man them and stop fret and not talk about what man do for you. Brother, you're the America, brother. Tell you what you do. But get a driver's license and go find a truck drive, brother. Do some haulage from state to state. Whole heap of things in America you can do. You think a music alone you can make money? Brother, you can do that. Save up some money, open a club and run a club. Bro, no mind stuck one place. You think me can't say anything about any artist I want to say? Because enough time people say, yo, you need to stop talking about the artist them because members say you're a selector. You come and go and like say if I not play music, I can't eat. You think some of my thing work? Remember say a downtown music sell. Right at Orange Street and Beeson Street. There's a rest in peace, my brother Richie. For years, and I deliver things. And right now, we still at the whole heap of things same way. And I do the music. Someone just love watch man pocket too much and watch people. They can't up on the internet and talk about people and they want the same people when you talk about come back, come help you and forgive you. Brother, hold up, brother. And have ambition, brother. You come and go and like say music alone you can't play. You can't look at work to someone to lazy, brother. Go look at work, brother. Go look at work. And no fun we feel like say, we just want to come live off an artist thing and live off a people thing and turn yourself in a cruff. Let me tell you something. I not pray no man when I have me in them plans. When I look out for me, I not pray them because if a man do them own thing. So you as a man have to do your own thing and know what you want out of life. And stop ball for internet like you're a bitch, brother. And only for people that talk, only for things about. So hold up, brother. And if you feel like things are get hard for you financially, brother, go find a truck and drive a truck, brother, state to state, do some haulage. It pay good. America, you there, brother. Create your opportunity, brother. I'm to you, brother. Them things them talk about the weak man, them, brother.